Michiru Nature Sanctuary, where illegal logging and charcoal burning are increasing at an alarming rate. A small group of us had heard about the problems and wanted to see it for ourselves. We'd been advised to organise some security, so the police and some park rangers. We'd heard the loggers had become quite aggressive. We'd only go up as far as we thought was safe. We were shocked by what we found. As we approached the charcoal pits, the poachers became aggressive and began to charge. The police had no choice but to fire some warning shots. So much for celebrating nature on World Wildlife Day. In a few months, this nature sanctuary will be gone. The issue has become so serious that only a massive increase in security and law enforcement will bring about any change. Otherwise, one of Blantyre's finest resources will be gone forever. What will we tell the generations to come?